In 2018, we were asked by an Indonesian-Japanese joint venture developer to design the architecture and interior of a relatively compact single-family residential housing complex located in Cikarang. The housing complex features two housing typologies. Type 1 is a 62 square meter 2-bedroom 2-story building sitting on a 6 by 11 square meter plot, and the other is a 78 3-bedroom 2-story building sitting on a 7 by 12 land. There is a rejected design worked on by a previously appointed architect that showed us the challenges that we faced, which is to create an ample living space in such a tight footprint. However, maintaining the same total square meter, we managed to redesign the spaces so that the interior dimensions feature proper living spaces and accommodate proper sized furniture. Living dining spaces are positioned to ensure cross ventilation is possible, a sustainable feature that takes advantage of the tropical climate while decreasing the dependency on air conditioning. Furthermore, our revised programmatic layout manages to get a better proportioned rear garden, designed for addition of a bedroom in the future, a main request or concern from potential buyers within the area. A feature that the owner has requested in this project is a pour on-site precast construction system. This precast system is a construction methodology the client has invested in, developed to help hasten the construction process, increase construction accuracy, as well as prevent any water leakage from the outside. In this process, Insada helped with the rationalization of the precast panels to produce the minimum amount of precast panel variations. Additionally, the precast kit parts needed to be flexible enough to produce a variation in the facade for future phases of the development. The architectural expression we implement aims to be modern and Japanese inspired, featuring a key single directional slope roof to the back of the house to maintain the modern front facade. Another passive cooling strategy that we implemented in this house is the integration of roof vents through a concealed articulated brick, which helps minimize solar gain by carrying out hot air buildup underneath the roof ceiling cavity. Given the modern minimalist exterior architecture expression, we crafted an interior that complements it. Calm base color of beige and light gray dominates the space and also acts as a differentiation between the two units. Furniture is selected to be light and see-through to help express a sense of spaciousness. In addition, thoughtful integration of mirror surfaces also pushes that idea. We aim to balance furniture selection between the simpler furniture and a more contemporary tropical one in each space, to help maintain a spacious feel. A strong accent color will be given in the form of artwork or pillow patterns to further add the joy and character to the house. The sleek shape and use of natural materials was chosen as a reference for a more modern setting, which helps in organizing and making the space look spacious.